What's up, Doc? Some Pixel 7 series users are having issues with the Pixel stand. What could be more annoying than buying a new phone and finding out that the main accessory you purchased doesn't work with it? Perhaps banging your head on the open freezer door for the umpteenth time qualifies, but we digress. It seems that a group of Pixel 7 series owners who already own the first or second generation Pixel stand or bought the Pixel stand 2 alongside the Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro is having issues making the dock work. A Reddit user with the handle @Mario who owns a Pixel 7 Pro wrote all about the problem he is having. He says, "When putting my phone on it, it begins the setup process. But when it gets to the part where I can pick my home control device up, the app crashes and returns to the home screen. Every so often I then get a prompt to set up the stand. I go through the process of setting it up, only to be prompted again 10 minutes later or so. On top of this, the phone is not charging." He notes that his Pixel 6 Pro works perfectly with his Pixel Stand 2, so he knows that the accessory is in perfect working condition. He even resorted to performing a factory reset of his Pixel 7 Pro and cleared the data on the Pixel Stand app, but to no avail. Others complained that the screen on their Pixel 7 series device turned black while on the dock, and one noted that he couldn't unlock his phone when he took it off the stand. This happened to more than one Redditor, and both pointed out that the under-display fingerprint sensor was not available on their phones after being removed from the dock. Google is probably going to have to address this issue with a software update. The November update is due on November 7th, the first Monday of the month, and the quarterly Pixel feature drop should arrive on December 5th. One of these two updates could contain a fix. The second generation Pixel stand is priced at $79 and will wirelessly charge your Pixel 6 or Pixel 7 series phones at 23 watts. It also will charge key-compatible devices at 15 watts, including the Pixel 3, Pixel 4, and Pixel 5. The Pixel Stand 2 will also call up a special UI on compatible Pixel models that will allow you to control your smart home devices via a hub-like interface. If you're having problems with the Pixel 7 line and the Pixel Stand either 1 or 2, since there were complaints about both generations of the device, you might have to sit tight until Google issues a fix.